out this window, we are currently looking at the back end of Tropical Storm Nestor, which actually affected us a lot more than Hurricane Dorian or Hurricane Humberto. This one actually had rain and wind. And we are in Winter Garden, Florida, at the Marriott Towneplace Suites, just about 15 minutes west of the Magic Kingdom, Walt Disney World. And we went to Animal Kingdom last night, and we stayed late and rode the Flight of Passage. And a couple of days ago we made a reservation here so that we could visit with my sister who's in town, because they were staying here. And so we stayed here overnight last night so we wouldn't have to drive home and we could spend more time with my sister. And now I'm going to show you the room after we trashed it.
That's what Christopher's do the best.
Take you on a tour here. If you want to look at it while it's clean, just go to the hotel website. This is what it looks like after we've trashed it. So we stayed at the Spring Hill Suites a couple of weeks ago, and what is different with this one, that was the Palm Parkway Spring Hill Suites. I didn't post a review of that because we had a copyright claim on the music that we were playing in the background. But this one happens to have a separate toilet and tub shower room from the sink, which makes it so much easier if you've got a group of people. Somebody can brush their teeth while somebody else is using the water closet. And the other thing I like about this is that it's got this closet that connects to another door from there, and I use this as a dressing room. So that's another thing. If you got somebody that wants to get dressed at the same time that somebody is getting dressed in here or using the shower, you can just use this. And I think that's pretty nifty. When we have 5 people in here, so that makes it really handy. Got a refrigerator with a freezer, which we didn't have at the Spring Hill Suites. And at the Spring Hill Suites, you don't have dishes. We have dishes here. And really, we only paid $20 more for all of this compared to what we had at the Spring Hill Suites, which was nice. There's a pull-out bed here, but it turned out that the bed had cake crumbs in it, so.
And there were no sheets.
There were no sheets, yeah.
One blanket and one pillow.
So he slept with the bed put together like this.
Okay, let's go, guys.
And I guess we're leaving. We don't stay on Disney property. We've only stayed on Disney property once because it's just too expensive. And twice? When was? Oh yeah. We stayed at the Port Orleans, which I've done a review on, and we stayed at the Pop Music. Pop Music, is that what it's called? The music one, which I didn't do a review on that one. Someday maybe I will, but you won't get to see the room tour because I'm not going to stay there again because the beds here at the Towneplace Suites are 10 times more comfortable and they're bigger. And they're cool. Cool. So breakfast was pretty much a continental breakfast with waffles. You could make some waffles, and they had, by way of, for keto people, they had some Canadian bacon and stuff like that. They had Cheerios for gluten-free. If you have celiac disease, this is not the place to get breakfast. Bring your own. There's some of my granola right here I'm eating because I didn't get much. If you have celiac disease or you're gluten intolerant, about your only choice is bananas, apples, juice. If you're okay with eating dairy, Publix is calling you, Clark. I don't know why.
Publix is calling you. Your sandwiches are ready.
Oh, probably your prescription. Yogurt. I'm dairy free, so yogurt, I had one because there wasn't much else I could eat. But if you have a dairy allergy, that's not going to work for you. And gluten-free Cheerios. So if you're gluten-free, that's about all you can have. The oatmeal's not gluten-free. My husband, who's on a heart-healthy diet, had oatmeal with walnuts. Oh, you can have walnuts too if you're gluten-free. So if you have celiac disease or you're highly gluten intolerant or dairy intolerant, then I suggest you bring your own food and put it in there. So that's what makes this place great. Okay, well, we're going to head out. We're going back home. We got about an hour drive and then we'll be back home.
Okay, let's go.
We'll see y'all later.
Thank you.